are here at Renovus Medical Spa. I'm joined by Dr. Clemons, and we are here to talk about what you can do during the summer months to make you feel and look great. Dr. Clemons, thanks for having daytime here.
Great seeing you guys.
Yeah, of course. And so, you know, things are starting to slow down. Kids are out of school. Maybe you have a little summer break here and there from work. And now is when you can focus on yourself. And you have some great options of how people can really do that, right?
Absolutely. It gets kind of slow during the summer months because you're so busy and running it which way, but it's time to take care of yourself. Now, the first thing I want you to do, it is summer, it's coming up, sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. We've got multiple different kinds of sunscreens. Most sunscreens are not super effective in that they're more made for Madison Avenue. We do carry some very, very powerful sunscreens that'll block off the UVA, the cancer rays, the aging and wrinkling rays. We have one as a compact. We have several as the lotions. I used to tell my patients, put sunscreen on all those parts of your body that you don't want me to cut off later.
Yeah, okay. I think that's a good words of wisdom right there. That's
so you either apply this now or see me later, whether we're repairing your wrinkles, your brown spots, or whatever. So sunscreen, sunscreen. But there are things that you can do this summer. Just takes a little bit of a little short time out of your busy day, but no downtime involved.
Good.
The first, we'll talk again. We have been getting just phenomenal results with our cool sculpting. Okay, so you're
and
showing.
What's the slogan? If you squeeze it, you can freeze it.
Squeeze it, you can freeze it. So here, any place you can squeeze some flab, we'll go ahead and treat. But this is, you're seeing more skin now because you're wearing more revealing clothing. But this darn turkey neck, if you don't want to have a turkey neck for Thanksgiving, come in and do that. The underarm flabs, the love handles, the muffin tops, all the others. So no downtime. With the newer device, it's really working beautiful, fantastic. So cool sculpting, this is a perfect time to do it. Okay, the next thing we'll talk about, we've talked about it before, but lifting. Okay, so you don't want to have the surgery. You don't want to have the facelift, the neck lift. And we've talked about, actually you saw me, you were here when we filmed my wife treating her, but putting the threads in the skin to lift and tighten. We're getting about 1.5 years, 2 years out of that. I've just had some training, additional training. There's new techniques now for lifting the neck. So the loose skin that you want to go ahead and lift up, the device is a little probe that goes under the skin through some little numbing spots, and we kind of slide along under the skin, and the material is a thread that has some little sugar moieties on it that's absorbable suture and little sugar molecules. And so we placed in here, put in, and it lifts up. And it's permanent inside, except it's going to dissolve in about 2 to 3 months on its own. But during that time, you're going to make new collagen. And the collagen is going to hold for several years on there.
Wow.
So we're having wonderful results with that. As I said, we're doing necks, we're doing faces, may end up doing some knees. We'll see if other areas too. But it's a good procedure, minimal to no downtime with it. You just have to take it easy for about a week afterwards.
Okay, and that's definitely an area of concern for a lot of people, is just the loosening of the skin around the neck.
Absolutely, that's sagging. Now, if there's too much fat there, we'll go ahead and freeze it with our cool sculpting. But if the skin's kind of a little lax, just only done with that procedure, we can tighten it with regular frequency. But if you really want to draw it up without surgery, without cutting, without leaving the permanent scars, and a lot cheaper, we can go ahead and do the threads under there. It's an in-office procedure, 30 minutes, and you go home and you're fine. It really doesn't hurt.
That's great. That's wonderful. And then, of course, we get to the issue of incontinence. And, of course, with summer activities, maybe you're jumping on the trampoline with the kids or you're running around after your grandkids. This is a great option for people who are maybe suffering with that, right?
Exactly. The treatments we have for incontinence, urinary incontinence, stress incontinence, and overactive bladders, any of the issues that are female related, using the Thermiva it's just fantastic. We've been doing that about 4 years. Real Self has that ranked the #1 worth it procedure of all the cosmetic procedures out there.
Oh, wow.
This is ranked #1. It's like a 98% ecstatic rate with it. It's very cost effective, no downtime, no surgery, no pain, no complications, but we're able to snug things up, tighten them, and it takes 3 treatments a month apart. Usually by the time you're ready to start your second treatment, you've noticed significant improvement from the first treatment.
Wow, that's great.
And so it really is fantastic, and we do a lot of it, and the patients absolutely love it. So to avoid the surgery, to avoid all the exercise you have to do at home and everything, this is kind of the way to do it. It's sort of no fuss, no muss. And as I said, Real Self has that ranked the #1 cosmetic procedure in the United States. Now we've just acquired a home device that you can use at home. It's not as
privacy
effective.
of your own home, yeah.
Privacy of your own home. It's not as effective as this, in that this is really more intense, but it does much of the same thing with a little lesser. So if you're on a home maintenance thing, we say this lasts about a year, but if you really have some issues, you want to go ahead and treat yourself at home also. Or if you just have light issues with that, and it's not enough to really have a significant procedure, this home device that we have is just absolutely perfect. Again, great results from it.
So many options, whether, like you said, if you're having some light issues or for maintenance effect, where you come in here and you get the actual treatment and you use this at home in the interim. What a great option for women right now.
Exactly. So these are some of the procedures that we do, that we offer. We offer just about everything here. And again,
these are just some of the procedures. You guys have a lot of different options.
A lot of different. Again, been in this a long time, so we have a lot of things that we can do. But come on in. It's a little slow during the summer months usually. So again, think about yourself. Think what you can do for yourself, and come by. It's a free visit in. If you've got anything else that bothers you, we can sit and talk.
Right, exactly. You can definitely make an appointment. Come talk to Dr. Clemons. See what he can do for you and any of those problem areas that you may have. In the meantime, make sure you give Renovus Medical Spa a call. Their number is right there on your screen, as well as their website. You won't want to miss out on some of these great opportunities that you can do during the summer.
The preceding portion of day